Are batteries today so cheap that they eliminate the barrier to replacing fossil fuels for electricity? Hi, I'm Mark Jacobson, Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering at Stanford University, to tell you. The cost of a battery pack for stationary electricity storage is now down to $70 per kilowatt hour of storage, which is 45% lower than in 2024 and 95% lower than in 2010. Accounting for the cost of installation, inverters, cooling, and electronics, the cost is still only $140 per kilowatt hour of storage. Is that a lot or a little? Well, let's figure that out, considering the 44.7 gigawatt hours worth of battery storage already on California's main grid at the end of 2025. Those batteries can provide 11.2 gigawatts of peak power for 4 hours. As such, they could provide up to 47% of California's average power demand in 2025 for 4 hours every night when charging during the day. That's also enough to provide 8% of all electricity consumed on California's main grid during the entire of 2025 when the batteries are charged once per day. Dividing the aggregate cost of these batteries as if new by the number of kilowatt hours of electricity consumed on California's main grid during all of 2025 and by the 15-year lifetime of the batteries gives a cost of these batteries of 0.2 cents per kilowatt hour of grid electricity consumed. For comparison, California's residential electricity price in 2025 was 32 cents per kilowatt hour, so the cost of these batteries as new is only 0.6% the cost of electricity generation in the state. Between 2023 and 2025, fossil gas use on California's main grid decreased 38% due to the installation of these batteries, plus the increase in solar photovoltaics. In fact, in 2025, over 50% of all electricity on California's main grid was met by just solar, wind, geothermal, and hydroelectric power. Suppose California wanted to eliminate its remaining gas as well as its nuclear, biomass, and imports, all of which supply the remaining 50% of electricity. It could readily do this with solar, PV, wind, and batteries alone. About 10 times the current number of batteries, 4 times the current solar, and twice the current onshore wind would be needed. The batteries would cost only 2 cents per kilowatt hour, and the solar and wind 4 to 5 cents per kilowatt hour of grid electricity. So the total cost would be only 6 to 7 cents per kilowatt hour, or 19 to 22% of the price of electricity in the state currently. This is not an additional cost. Instead, solar and batteries and wind would replace and eliminate more expensive gas, nuclear, biomass, and imports, reducing electricity costs in the state. On top of that, replacing gas and biomass reduces air pollution, illness and death, and climate damage and associated costs. In sum, the low cost of batteries today virtually eliminates the barrier to replacing fossil gas with renewables on grids worldwide.